Hey guys, today I want to show you how to add a paid time off in Gusto. So first, log into your account. Then, head over to the left sidebar, click on Time and Attendance. Click on Time Off on the submenu. Here, you will be asked to choose the time and the type of the time off you're going to affect to your employees. So, we're going to select paid vacation, so finish setup. Here, we're going to have to add some options, so just choose no limit. You can take off this vacation, save and continue. Now, we're going to affect your employees. So, for example, type in the employee name here to affect and click on Create Policy. And that's it, guys. You successfully added PTO in Gusto and affected employees to it. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment.